Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best mop for hardwood floors in 2019. To see the price and more information about these mop for hardwood floors, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Light and Easy Steam Mop. For cleaning with Light and Easy Steam Mop, allowing you to use it with ease. The tile floor mop comes in a lightweight design. This is very functional and has an easy operation. In this, you will find a swiveling mop head that can easily rotate in 360 degrees. It has a powerful steamer that provides effective cleaning. Moreover, it helps to dry the floor and does it in only 30 seconds. The mop is safe to use and lets you use it in different types of applications. Furthermore, it lets you use it in different types of floor surfaces including laminate and hardwood. This comes with a replaceable microfiber pad that lets you wash it easily. Additionally, this will eliminate any kind of messy mops as well as heavy buckets and has smooth gliding. This is safe for pets and has an inbuilt tank of 220 milliliters capacity. With it, there will be superior cleaning and effectively remove tough stains. Moving on at number 4. We have the Bissell Powerfresh Deluxe Steam Mop. Here's a mop for tile floor that has a powerful performance and does not use any harsh chemicals. This can easily sanitize the floors and kill 99.9% germs. This is safe to use and has an easy operation. Moreover, it has a power rating of 12 amps and includes a power cord with an extended length of 25 feet. This also has a steamer and lets you choose from higher or low steam. The heater takes very less time to heat up and eliminates your waiting time. Additionally, this includes an onboard brush that can easily remove tough stains and sticky messes. With it, you will have a refreshing scent every time you clean. Furthermore, it will let you fill the water in the tank without any hassle and comes with swivel steering for easy maneuver. This is in a lightweight design and includes all the accessories for effective use. It is certainly one of the best mops for hardwood floors. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the Bissell Powerfresh Steam Mop. This mop for hardwood floors comes with an easy scrubber that can remove dried-on messes. This can eliminate germs and bacteria with its steaming power and provide you with a clean environment. This has the ability to sanitize while cleaning and lets you choose the steam settings from high, low and medium. Moreover, it is in a convenient design and has swivel steering. It will let you use it instantly as the heating time is only 30 seconds. Additionally, this has a powerful performance with its motor of 1500 watts and delivers perfect results. It comes in a complete set and includes a microfiber soft pad, scrubby pad, carpet glider and fragrance discs. Furthermore, this has digital steam control and has a power cord of 23 feet. With it, you can have chemical-free cleaning and lets you enjoy the fresh scent. It is suitable for different types of floors and is in a lightweight design. At number 2. We have the Shark Genius Steam Mop. The mop for tile floor comes with dirt grip pads on all sides to deliver effective results. In this, you will find touch-free technology that eliminates the need to the pad. Moreover, this can clean and sanitize your dirty floors in no time and comes into the reusable design. Additionally, this has a steam blaster that is perfect for sticky and greasy messes. It comes in a complete set and includes accessories like mop pad, pocket mop, cleaning solution, a spray bottle and water fill mask. Furthermore, this will let you control the steam according to your need and choose from high, medium or low. With it, you can customize your cleaning task and effectively eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Overall, it is one of the most effective and best mops for hardwood floors. Lastly, at number 1. We have the Temple's Pride Professional. This is a multi-functional mop for the floor, which lets you have peace of mind. This is in a convenient design and can easily remove tough stains. In this, you will find microfiber pads that are highly absorbent and dries quickly. Furthermore, this is resistant to friction and lets you use it in different types of floors. Moreover, It comes with a telescopic handle that lets you adjust the height according to your advantage. It will let you clean your floor in different stages and get a neat environment. Additionally, the mop pads are machine washable and let you reuse it multiple times. This has an impressive performance and it's very lightweight. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.